हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, अभी हम देखेंगे क्लास 6 खोज स्कॉलरशिप टेस्ट के पेपर में मैथमेटिक्स से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स एंड सॉल्यूशंस। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, m and n are two integers, then which of the following may not be integer? कौन सा integer नहीं होगा? It means देखो 2 plus 3 5, it means m and n अगर प्लस करे तो इंटीजर बनता है, माइनस करे तो भी इंटीजर बनता है, मल्टीप्लाई करे तो भी इंटीजर बनता है, लेकिन डिवाइड करे तो 2/3, सपोज 2 is m and 2 is equal to m and n is equal to 3, तो ऑप्शन नंबर डी इज द राइट आंसर, राइट? बिकॉज ये क्या बन जाता है, फ्रैक्शन बन जाता है, इंटीजर नहीं होता। सो क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट का आंसर क्या होगा, डी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड, फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ 7 star 8, फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ 7 star 8 if x star y is equal to x plus y minus xy. 7 star 8 is equal to 7 plus 8 minus 7 multiplied by 8. 7 plus 8 is 15 minus 56. 7 plus 8 15 and 7 8 ja 56. 56 minus 15 minus 41. So option number C is the right answer. Minus 41. Next question number third, find the perimeter of a rectangle whose length is equal to 25 centimeter and breadth is equal to 35 meter. Length is equal to 25 meter and breadth is equal to 35 meter. So perimeter is equal to 2 multiplied by L plus B. So 2 multiplied by 25 plus 35. This becomes 60 multiplied by 2. So answer is 120. So option number B is the right answer, 120 meter. Question number 4th. Hindu Arabic number for this. D for 500. C for century, 100 plus 100. Next L for 50 plus x for 10 and ix for the 9. So 500, 600, 700 plus 69. So 769. So option number C is the right answer. So option C, 769 is the answer. Next question number 5th. 40 minus 25 is not equal to 25 minus 40. It means A minus B is not equal to B minus A. This is not a commutative property. So this is called not commutative. Option number C is the right answer. Next, question number 6. Product of 361 into 2 into 5 into 0. 0 है, 0 सबको ले डूबेगा. So option number C is the right answer. Answer is 0 because 0 multiplied by any number, 0. Next, question number 7. How many decagram is equal to 1 decigram? 1 decagram is equal to 100 decigram. How many decagram make 1 decigram? So 1 by 100, option number A is the right answer. Question number 8. Product of this 5 into 24 into 2. 5 2s are 10. 10 multiplied by 24, 240. So option number A is the right answer, 240. Next, question number 9. 1/4 part of a circle is called. 1/4 part of the circle is called quadrant of the circle. Quadrant of the circle. So option number D is the right answer. Question number 10th. Sum of the angles of a triangle. Sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So option number C is the right answer. Question number 11th. 56 is not a multiple of 8 7 ja 56, 7 8 ja 56, 28 2 ja 56. But 9 is not a so 56 is not a multiple of 9. So option number B is the right answer. Next, question number 12th. Where will be the hour hand of a clock stop where it starts at 5 and makes 1/4 of the revolution? 1/4 of the revolution means 90 degree. So if it is on the 5, then 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. सो 5 से कहां पे पहुंच जाएगा? 8 पे पहुंच जाएगा, 90 डिग्री एंगल बन जाएगा. सो ऑप्शन नंबर 8 बी 8, बिकॉज यहाँ 4, 5, 6, 7 एंड 8. तो यहां से 5 से कहां पहुंच जाएगा? डायरेक्टली 8 पे पहुंच जाएगा. सो ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज द राइट आंसर. Next, question number 13. 100 multiply by this. 100 multiply by 20 plus 120. So 100 multiply by 140. So answer is 14,000. So option number C, 14,000 is the answer. Next, question number 14. How many times does 5 digit appear? How many times 5 appear in the numbers 1 to 100? 1 to 100 में सबसे पहले 5. Now 15, 25, 35, 45. After that 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. इसके बाद कब आएगा? 65, 75, 85 and 95. 3, 3, 6 to 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 5, then 15, then 25, 35, 45, 50 और इसमें डबल बार काउंट होगा. सो 20. सो आंसर आ जाएगा सी. ये टोटल 19 हुए और 55 में 2 टाइम्स है, इसलिए आंसर इज 20. सो 20 times 5 appears in 1 to 100. Next, question number 15. Which of the following natural number does not have a predecessor? नेचुरल नंबर 1 से स्टार्ट होते हैं, 2, 3, 4 आगे कंटिन्यूसली जाते हैं. तो इसका प्रीडिसर इससे पहले कौन नहीं होगा? इसलिए बी 1 का प्रीडिसर नहीं होगा फॉर द नेचुरल नंबर. ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज द राइट आंसर. नेक्स्ट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 16. Two numbers are said to be 12 and 23. These number have only common factor 1. इनका कॉमन फैक्टर क्या है? Only 1 है. So this is the co-prime numbers. So option number A is the right answer. Co-prime numbers. The 12 and 23 are co-prime numbers. Next, question number 17. The unit digit in the product. The unit digit in the product. Unit digit 4, unit digit 8 and 7. 4 multiply by 8 multiply by 7. 32 multiply by 7. 7 2s are 14. तो यूनिट डिजिट इज 4. सिर्फ लास्ट डिजिट को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो यूनिट डिजिट मिल जाएगा. सो ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज द राइट आंसर. नेक्स्ट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 18. द रेडियस ऑफ ए सर्कल इज 6 सेंटीमीटर. देन diameter is equal to 2 times radius. So 2 multiply by 6, 12 centimeter. So option number B is the right answer, 12 centimeter. Next, question number 19. Name the quadrilateral. Name the quadrilateral which has just one pair of parallel side. Just one pair of parallel side means ABCD is a quadrilateral. One pair is parallel. Then this shape is called trapezium. So option number C is the right answer, trapezium. Next, question number 20. The set of negative natural numbers and whole numbers is called. Negative numbers included 0 and positive. So these collection of these numbers are called integers. So option number B is the right answer. Next, question number 21. Which of the following is a fraction equivalent? 2 by 3. So multiply by 5 and 5, this becomes 10 by 15. Yes, so option number D is the right answer. 10 by 15. 8 by 4, 4 by 3 होता है, ये आंसर नहीं है. 4 by 3, 2 by 5 ये भी नहीं है. So ऑप्शन क्या हो जाएगा आपका? D, 10 by 15. Next, question number 22. Find the value of this. 3 by 4 plus 5 by 6 plus 1 by 3. LCM is 12. So multiply by 3. So 3 by 9 by 12. 10 by 12. 4 by 12. 23 by 12. 12 1 ja 12. So 1 is 2. 11 by 12. So option number A is the right answer. 1 is to 11 by 12. Next, question number 23. 37 divided by 1000. 37 divided by 1000. So this becomes 0.037. So option number 0.037. सर ये ऑप्शन तो नहीं, लेकिन पीछे जीरो इसका कोई भी मीनिंग नहीं होता है. सो 23 का A 0.037. ऑप्शन नंबर A is the right answer. Next, question number 24. Find the value of 0.5 plus 0.005 plus 0.05. Sum of this. 0.5 plus 0.005 plus 0.05. 5, 5, 5 0.555. So option number B is the right answer. Next, question number 25th. 7.35 is read as 7.35. 7.35. ऑप्शन नंबर डी इज द राइट आंसर. पहला क्या है? 735 नहीं होगा. 700 735 7.35 ये भी नहीं होगा. 7.35. ऑप्शन नंबर डी इज द राइट आंसर. Next, question number 26. Number of the variables used in this expression. Variables means alphabets. X square plus 1. इसमें क्या अल्फाबेट है? X अल्फाबेट है. So B, one alphabet. Only one variable, which is X. So option number B is the right answer. Next, question number 27. Perimeter of an equilateral triangle whose each side is X. What is equilateral triangle? Equilateral triangle means जिसकी सभी sides equal हो. X, X, X. So X plus X plus X. 3X. So option number A is the right answer. 3X. Next, question number 28. 2 cube by 6 is equal 2 cube by 3. 2 cube by 3 is equal to 6. So solution of this. 2q is equal to 18. So q is equal to 18 divided by 2. 9. So option number A is the right answer. 9. Next, question number 29. What will happen to the area of rectangle if its length is double and breadth is tripled? We know that area of triangle is L into B. But in the new case, the length is double. So 2L. Breadth is tripled. 3B. 6LB. So area becomes 6 times. Option number A is the right answer. 6 times. Next, question number 30. 40 matchsticks in a matchbox. Sanya used 3 matchsticks every day. The fraction of matchsticks are unused in a week. She used 3 per day. In a week, 7 days. So 7 3 are 21. Total 40. 40 minus 21 means 19. So fraction of unused are 90 divided by 40. So option number C is the right answer. 90 divided by 40. So this is the mathematics question solution of the Khoj paper. Thank you.